Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. How you doing today? Hope you're having a great day. Nice and quiet here. I'm in New England. Lots of trees, a little humid, but I have a video about that. You can watch that one sometime. Today I'm talking about fitting in, inclusivity, and why is it important from both sides? We want to fit in certain situations, but we also might be the cause of others feeling like they don't fit in. So we have to be cognizant of that. We have to be aware that fitting in is important for a lot of people, in all walks of your life. Could be in relationships, of course, could be in groups, could be at work, could be with family, could be with friends, could be with anything. No one likes to be that outsider. No one likes to be that person who feels that they don't fit in to a situation. And conversely, you don't want to be that person or part of that clique that picks and chooses who's allowed to fit in. Inclusivity is very, very important. And to be boxed out, to be ostracized, to be the person that doesn't fit in, that's a terrible feeling to have. Don't be that person, and try to be aware of how you react to others, outsiders. And they can be excluded for several reasons. For some reasons, people seem to be naturally leery of race, how people are, part of society, where you fit in. Try to erase that from you, not be biased in those situations. Now, conversely, what if it happens to you? Sometimes I feel like I don't fit in, like with my family, which is weird. We grew up together, but since I'm separated by them by 3,000 miles, I live on the West Coast. They do a lot of things that are just because they're close together. They do a lot of things, and I'm excluded all the time, which is okay. I've dealt with it. But sometimes when you get right to it, it's probably not ideal. So I got to try to figure out the best way to make that works. And the best way is having dialogue, conversation, try to be calm about it, and just discuss needs. But for the most part, I try to fit into situations that I like, and situations that that I don't really care about, even though it appears that I'm not fitting in. I'm usually fine with it because I do a lot of stuff by myself. I'm very comfortable in my own skin and being alone. But what about if you're in a situation where you have to try to fit in because it's part of your job, part of work, part of, some kind of social activity where standing in the corner by yourself is not an option? Well, then that's why sometimes you have to put yourself in a situation where it's not your comfort zone. You got to get out of that comfort zone. Sometimes you have to just try to see what's going on with the other people. Try to think about what they're saying. Try to offer something. Don't come on too strong, but throw a few words out there and kind of like fishing. Just see if you get a little nibble. Especially if it's with work and you're in a group of 10 and you don't feel comfortable. You don't even know them. I just got back from a seminar, and we had a lot of those groups. But for me, it's natural. I have a good personality. I feel comfortable talking to them. Maybe bring a buddy there. You got 10 people. You can just bring someone that you're strong with, and that'll help you break the ice. But work hard on being inclusive, helping people to fit in, because the next time you're in one of those situations, there might be someone there that feels the same way, that's going to say, "Hey, how you doing? My name's so-and-so. What do you do for a living? Let's talk." So be that person that reaches across the table and help someone fit in for the next time that you're in that same situation. Think about that one. Check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Why am I such a misfit? I never fit in. Remember Rudolph and Herbie the dentist, Sweet Babu? They didn't fit in, but at the end they did. So, and they had a holly jolly Christmas. think about that one.